You're watching How Leap. Let's make a transparent app drawer on Android. Open your device's settings app and scroll down to find wallpaper and style or display. Tap on it, then look for an option called App Drawer Background or Home Screen Style. If you do not see these exact options, you may need to use a third-party launcher, like Nova Launcher or Launcher. Download and install Nova Launcher from the Google Play Store. Open Nova Launcher and go to its settings menu. Find the App Drawer section and tap on it. Look for an option labeled Background Color or App Drawer Background. Tap on it and select the transparent option or manually adjust the opacity slider to 0%. You can also set the background to a custom image with low opacity. Apply the changes and go back to your home screen. Swipe up to open the app drawer. It should now be transparent, showing your wallpaper behind the app icons. Some stock Android interfaces do not support this natively, so a third-party launcher is the most reliable method. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.